Hey, Val, do you have a minute? I'm having some issues with my online banking. I can never remember my password.
Yeah, Sam, come on in, have a seat.
Here's my phone. I'm logged in already.
Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is up in the right-hand corner, that little kind of person,
Yep.
we're going to tap on that. There's some great options in here.
Okay.
Authentication options.
So we scroll all the way down to authentication. Okay.
Yep. And then you get PIN, voice, or face.
Oh, let's look at the voice.
Okay. All right. So we're going to turn that on.
Okay.
And then we have to enroll. Because it's going to, here it says, voice authentication allows you to sign in online banking with your voice. To enroll, you need to recite a phrase 3 times. All right, so now that you've got your voice in there.
That is perfect. Thank you so much, Val. One less password to remember.
Yes,
You made my life easy. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Well, you have a great day, Sam.
Thank you. You as well.
Bye.
Bye now.